Hey guys, today I will show you how to use AI searching with Google Lens on Motorola G15 Power. So by using AI, I will take a picture of something and it's going to show me results online. You can do it either by taking a picture, I already took one, and then scanning it through the Google Photos app. So go into Google Photos, tap on Lens, and it's showing you results online. Or you go into your camera, and now you have to tap on this icon top left corner, open camera, grant access, and we just take a picture of something like you would casually do. And as you can see, it's also showing me results online, which are pretty accurate. So that's going to be all. If I helped you, please leave a like and subscribe. And if you have any more questions, let us know in the comments.